zuppies.
And we are going to be doing another challenge today.
We are going to be doing the taste test challenge.
Yep.
It is not for Easter.
So, yeah. Okay, so we have our food.
Yep.
Okay, so we have Reese's peanut butter cups.
We do not know we're going to be blindfolded.
So we have our granola bars. Cheetos. Okay, so they're stuck. Okay, then we have peanut butter with spoons of peanut butter. And watermelon. Ice cream.
It's late on. With the big
We have
hands.
strawberries. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to be. Allison is going to be blindfolded first.
Alright, give me the blind.
To get started, Allison is going to be blindfolded first, like I said before. Okay. Start with the first. I want you to see what it is. Okay. Face the camera.
Very cheesy. And crunchy. Cheeto.
Yes. She has a 1 point. Okay. For the next one, I will do this. So you can see what it is. Okay. Okay.
This here, wow. Very chewy. Watermelon.
Yes. Woo-hoo. High five. Okay, next. Let's see.
Chewy. Very chocolatey. So the Reese's peanut butter cup?
Yep. Okay. Let's see. See? Well, open wider.
Oh no, peanut butter.
So next is I'm getting. Oh, that. Okay, as you see, before it drops, open your mouth, open your mouth.
Very chocolatey. Very watery. Easy to swallow. Popsicle. Ice cream.
You get half a point because you didn't say it right. It was a chocolate popsicle, and you knew it from the start. Okay. So she has. So we did 1, 2,
That's 3.5 points.
3, 4. So you have 3.5 points. Next, open your mouth, and you have to like bite off of this one. So just gonna see what it is.
Ah. It's strawberry.
Just strawberry.
It's cold.
Okay, so now she has 4.5 points. We have one more thing left. Wait, 1, 2. Okay, so this is the last one. So I need to pick for one of these, and I'm gonna pick this one for chocolate. Ew, you spit on me.
Ew. Granola bar?
What kind? Which
I
one?
don't know.
You have to guess. Either the square or the rectangle one.
Square?
Yes. Okay. So
Study.
Allison has like 6.5 points.
Oh. Hello. Okay, so now it's Alyssa's turn. Oh, please. Yeah, she can't see anything, so I better do this now. Woo! Okay, so.
Okay.
Anyways, so now it's her turn.
Show the camera, like. Show the camera the big point.
Gonna start. Okay, what am I gonna start with? Should I do this? Or.
Hurry up.
I know what I'm gonna do. I gave her this. No.
To it.
Show the camera.
Hard to swallow.
Peanut butter? Yes. One. Wait, I'm gonna give her this. It went in your pocket. It went in your pocket.
Watermelon. Good. Oh, okay.
Beep beep.
Crunchy. Cheesy. What?
I touched
Okay, so it's crunchy and cheesy. It's a Cheeto.
Yeah. Now it's all over your pants. Right, next I'm gonna give her this. Yeah.
Cannoli.
Yep, okay.
Hard. Chocolatey. Kind of fluffy. The square. It's all right with chocolate on the bottom.
Yep.
2 points now. Woo woo.
Okay. Okay, so next I'm gonna do this.
Oh, some of it fell away.
So everywhere, but
The rectangle granola bar with chocolate chips in it.
yeah.
Pick the next one.
Right.
Show it to the camera. Are you done? Seedy, juicy, watery, gooey, strawberry.
Yes. 2 points.
Thank you for watching. And thank you for watching. Bye.
Comment
Next
down
time.
below what
Yeah.
you want us to do next.
Yeah, so bye.
Alyssa turn. It's Alyssa turn. Gotta get your black alone. Give me back that one.
Okay, so peanut butter lipstick. Yes, we do have peanut butter lipstick.
Camera a little clean.
What are you doing?
Cleaning it. It's dirty.
What happened with that one?